5 income-generating assets to quit your job, escape the rat race. Imagine waking up without the dread of an alarm clock, having the freedom to spend your days on what truly matters to you, and knowing that your income is flowing in regardless of your daily grind. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful income-generating assets that can help you quit your job and escape the rat race for good. Whether you're looking to retire early, build wealth, or simply regain control of your time, these assets are your key to financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Real estate investments. Real estate has long been a favorite among those looking to build wealth and secure a steady income. Here's why. Rental properties. Purchasing residential or commercial properties can provide you with a steady stream of rental income. The key is to choose properties in high-demand areas where rent prices are likely to rise over time. With the right property management, you can earn passive income while your property appreciates in value. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. If you're not ready to deal with the hassles of property management, REITs are a great alternative. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate and pay out dividends to investors. Investing in REITs allows you to profit from real estate without the need for direct ownership. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks can be a fantastic way to build a reliable income stream. Here's how it works. Regular income. Dividend stocks pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders on a regular basis, typically quarterly. These dividends can be reinvested to buy more shares or used as a source of income. A growth potential. Beyond the dividends, these stocks also offer the potential for capital appreciation. As the companies grow and their stock prices increase, you benefit from both the rising stock value and the dividends. 3. Digital products. In the digital age, creating and selling digital products has become a popular method for generating income. Consider these options. E-books and online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell e-books or online courses. Once developed, these products can be sold repeatedly without much additional effort. Software and apps. Developing a useful app or software can be highly profitable. With the right marketing and a good product, your digital asset can generate significant passive income. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Here's why P2P lending is a viable income-generating asset. Higher returns. Compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds, P2P lending often offers higher returns. By carefully choosing the loans you invest in, you can achieve a substantial return on your investment. Diversification. Many P2P lending platforms allow you to spread your investments across multiple loans, reducing your risk and enhancing your potential returns. 5. Royalties from creative works. If you have a talent for writing, music, or art, royalties from your creative works can provide a steady income. Here's how it can work for you. Books and music. Authors and musicians earn royalties every time their work is sold or played. The more popular your work becomes, the more income you can generate over time. Licensing your work. Licensing your creative work to companies or individuals for use in various media advertisements, films, merchandise can also be a lucrative source of passive income. Now that you've discovered 5 powerful income-generating assets to help you quit your job and escape the rat race, it's time to take action. Start by assessing your current financial situation and exploring which of these assets align with your goals and interests. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step, and the right assets can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest content. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights, and let us know in the comments which asset you're excited to explore. Together, we can achieve financial freedom and live the life we've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and here's to your future of financial freedom and fulfilling days ahead.